let's again think like Amazon. And this is good advice for most things. What is Amazon trying to achieve? Why does Amazon take the behavior that it takes? What is it trying to do? Well, when it comes to making changes to your Seller Central account, what Amazon is trying to do is it's trying to make sure that your account has not been hacked and some nefarious bastard is trying to steal your account, your money from your account, etc., etc. So it's trying to prevent that happening for you, okay? So there are 3 things in your account that are the big items as far as a hacker is concerned. They are getting access to change your mobile telephone number, because if they can change your mobile telephone number, then that gives them control of your account. Also getting access to the bank account where your funds get transacted into, because obviously if they get access to your bank account in Amazon Seller Central and they change that then means that they're getting your money instead of you're getting your money. So Amazon really pays close attention to that as well. And the final thing is the email that you have for your Seller Central account, because again, if that is changed in Seller Central, that then gives them the opportunity to get access to your Seller Central account and make lots of changes to your account, not least of which is funneling your funds into their account. Okay, so that's the 3 big things that Amazon really pays attention to: your mobile, your email, and your destination bank account. So anytime you make any changes to those, be warned, Amazon is going to pay attention and possibly going to suspend your account. Not to be an arsehole and make your life a misery, but to protect your account and make sure it's not some hacker doing it. So what I do is this: anytime I'm going to make fundamental changes to one of those 3 things, I tell them beforehand that I'm going to do it, and I explain why I'm doing it. Very, very important. And then once I've got a response back, no worries, Neil, go for your life, then I make the change, and that's all I do, okay? So let's come back to Amro's question. When is a good time? Anytime. As long as you are communicating with Amazon about making those changes, because your business structure that you use will also probably affect a few other things as well. It may affect your bank account, for instance, if you update your bank account. So I would definitely just tell them and then make your changes. Simple as that. So less important things: business name and structure, less important but still important. Your name and address, not really that important, but still, before making any changes, my thing now is I just tell Amazon, here's what I'm doing, here's why I'm doing it, and then I make my changes. But your big 3, mobile, email, destination bank account, before you touch them, be absolutely sure that you've told Amazon and Amazon said, yep, go ahead and make the changes. Otherwise, it will cause problems for you. It will cause problems for you. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.